Hello guys, thank you for joining me here today. I'm gonna be showing you how to play an easy song. This is very easy by Train. It's called Lost and Found. I love this song. It has a cool rhythm I know I'm not a dancer, but sometimes I try to dance to it because it's a really nice song. It gets me in the mood for dancing. Okay, so now we're gonna go through the chords. Our first chord is gonna be a G. So first finger on the second fret of the A string, second finger on the third fret of the low E string, third finger on the third fret of the B string, and then your pinky finger on the third fret of the high E string, and that's a G. Our next chord is gonna be an A. So first finger on the second fret of the D string, second finger on the second fret of the G string, third finger on the second fret of the B string, and we play from the A string. And our third and last chord is gonna be a B minor. So first finger bar from the first to the fifth string, so it's gonna be barring like that. The middle finger is gonna be on the third fret of the B string. Our ring finger is gonna be on the fourth fret of the D string, and then the pinky finger is gonna be on the fourth fret of the G string. Now, how to play the song? This is very simple. It's gonna be 2 down strums on each chord, but it's a little different when you are getting into it. So it's like 2 down strums on the G, and then 2 mutes. So you can either start with muting before the chord. So it's gonna be like, you get that, and then the next is gonna be an A, and you mute again, and then the next is gonna be an A again, and then the B minor. So if I'm gonna play the song for you, it's gonna be really easy. It's like to the line we crossed, here's to the one we waiting on. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. More tutorials are coming in. Thank you. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day.